Welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video today I am gonna show you how to install intellij and run the Java program on your system. Okay, so intellij is very powerful tool and IDE that is used to run Java programs. So it is necessary to install intellij so that you can run your Java programs and any kind of program, Java, Python, C++. Okay, so this is very important to install the IDE in your system so that you can run your Java program uh, smoothly and effectively and complete your day-to-day tasks. Okay, so it is always not recommended to use online Java editors and code editors. So you have to always keep one ID in your local system always so that it can be uh, very much helpful for you. So without any further delay, let's get started step by step process how to install the IntelliJ IDE in your system. Okay, so first of all, to install the IDE on your system you have to open your browser. So I'll be using the Brave browser. Okay, so first of all just type IntelliJ IDEA or IntelliJ download, anything will work fine. So this will load the all the options and just select the first link and it will open the official IntelliJ IDEA website and from there you can download the IntelliJ. Okay, so here you will get different IntelliJ IDEA versions and different platform. So just uh, download the version according to your requirement. Okay, so I am using Windows system, so I'll go with Windows, and if you are using Mac system then you can go ahead with Mac. Okay, and there are two versions of IntelliJ IDEA, not two versions, like two different types of this software. Okay, one is ultimate, one is community. So ultimate is for it is paid and the community version is free. Okay, so it is open source in the community version, so just download the community version or the ultimate according to your requirement. Okay, so here you can get two kind of file, exe file or zip file, so download according to your requirements. So .exe is the most useful one, so just go with .exe file. Okay, so I already have the software in my local, so I am not downloading it. So after your download is complete, so let me download for you again, so you will get a clear idea what will happen. Okay, so this will just download the software. Okay, so since it is downloading, as you can see here, it is just 599 MB file, so it will download over here and I will show you how does this work. So I already have the file. Okay, so as you can see here, the shortcut name is okay. So after your download is complete in your local, after you click on the shortcut, this will show a pop-up like this. Here you can select yes or no, so I will select yes. So this is showing current version of IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition is already installed. So since I have already installed in my local system, this is showing me this pop-up. So if you download in a new way, so this will download the IntelliJ IDEA app again on your system. So you can just follow the steps that I have said here, and this will definitely install the IntelliJ IDEA on your system. Okay, and now the next step is how to run the program on your IDEA. Okay, so I will open the IntelliJ. So this is loading the project that I have written over here. So here are multiple projects that I have created. So how do you run a Java program inside the IntelliJ? So if you download the software and simply try to run the Java program, so this will not work. So first of all, you have to install the JDK on your local system. Okay, JDK means Java Development Kit. I will show you how to install the JDK so that you will get a clear understanding of what I am trying to say. So first of all, you need to install the JDK on your local system. Okay, this is a mandatory step. Without doing this one, your Java program will not run. So I have searched over here JDK download. Okay, so here this will redirect you to Oracle official site. So from here you can download the JDK, latest version of the JDK. Okay, so as you can see here, Java 18 and Java 17 are available. You can also download the older version. Make sure what is the requirement for you, and then you can download the respective version. Okay, so after you download, you can check whether your Java is installed on your system. Okay, how can you check? So you can open your terminal over here. Here your terminal will be there, or you can open the command prompt. Here you can type Java. Simply type Java and press enter. So if there is Java on your system, this will show all this kind of options. If Java is not there on your system, it will show blank, no option will be there. So after you install the Java on your system or JDK, you can check the version like this, Java hyphen version. Okay, so the command is wrong, it seems. Okay, so here as you can see, if I type Java hyphen version, this will show me the latest Java version that is installed in my laptop. Okay, so this is how you install the JDK and IntelliJ. Okay, so if you want to run the Java program, it will not run now. You have to do one more mandatory step. You have to set up the environment variable on your local system. Okay, so I am typing this step, right, Java hyphen version. So in your system this will not work. Why this will not work? Because once you install the JDK on your system and IntelliJ on your system, the first step is complete. Okay, the second step is to set up the local environment variables. Okay, because without setting up the environment variables, your Java program or the compiler will not execute or compile the program. Okay, so how to set up the environment variables? For setting the environment variables, you have to go to your okay, so first of all, right click on the desktop, then show more options. 1 second. you have to click on environment variables. Okay, so you have to configure the environment variables. Okay, so remember that if you want to run Java program, you definitely have to set up the environment variables. Okay, if you don't set up the environment variables, your Java program will not run on your local. So how do you set up the environment variables? So please rewind the video and follow the steps that I have done. So here you don't do anything in the user variables. Okay, just make the changes in the system variables. Here you have to create one new path. So you can create a new path by clicking on the new button. So here you can enter a new variable name. So you should enter Java home as the variable name. Okay, so since I already have this name over here, I am not creating again. So you can basically uh, give a name, proper name like this to your Java home variable. So inside the Java home variable, you have to give a variable value. Okay, so first of all you will give Java underscore home. Under this line you have an option of variable value. So here you have to specify the path of the location that you have installed the JDK. So when you install the JDK, this will be stored in a specific path. Okay, so this will be stored in your downloads folder. So downloads or somewhere like, so my JDK is inside this one. I will show you. So I'll go to Windows, then users, so basically you have to take the path where your JDK is installed. Okay, after copying the path you have to paste it over here. I will show you how you can do that. So first of all, just go to the path. So I will search for JDK over here. Okay, so I must have kept it over here. It will be available in the downloads folder. So JDK, one second, JDK. Okay, so as you can see the path over here, so it is in C program files Java JDK 1.8. Okay, so I'll go to this location, C program files Java JDK. So you can see my JDK is installed here. So just click on the top search bar and copy the path. Control C will copy the path, and just like I mentioned, create a new Java variable name and just paste the path over here and give a proper name. and click on OK. Okay, since I already have this, I am not clicking on OK. So make sure you add properly this step. Okay, if you do a single mistake in this step, then your program will not run. So be careful and just follow the steps that I have told. uh, and after this step is complete, then you can click on OK and close the all the windows, and you can open your IntelliJ, and your program will basically run. So you can try out uh, hello world basic program and all. So make sure that you do all the steps in a correct manner. If you want to take help, then feel free to rewind and watch the video again, pause and try to do the steps that I have mentioned. First of all, you have to download the IntelliJ, then JDK, then you have to set up the environment variables, then only you can run your Java program on your local system. I hope uh, the doubt will be clear now how to install the uh, IntelliJ and run the Java program. If you want more help, feel free to comment out and in the comment section. I will be happy to help you. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel, and I'll see you in the next video.